Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete stickers or stickers pack from WhatsApp. To do this, you have just to open your WhatsApp and after that go and open any conversation and click on the sticker icon on the bottom left of the screen. And after that, go and click on the other sticker icon on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and click on your stickers. And as you can see here, you will find all the stickers pack that you have in your WhatsApp account. To delete any sticker pack, you have just to click on the delete icon near to the sticker pack that you want to delete. For example, I will delete this capybara crow. I will click on the delete icon, and as you can see here, it tells me like I can remove it, and to remove that sticker pack you have just to click on remove again and the sticker pack will be removed. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.